Hi everyone, welcome to week 7. Now, in week 7, we're going to look at forces and motion. Basically, we're just going to look at push and pull. So the first thing that we have is a worksheet on push and pull. So it is just a comprehension explaining what push and pull is. So they say when an object is moving, when an object is not moving, it is at rest. It will stay that way unless something makes it move. The power that makes other things move is called a force. So a force can be a push or a pull. It changes the object's position. When a force moves an object away from it, that is called a push. When the force moves an object towards it, that is called a pull. You can use pushes and pulls to move objects. A soccer player uses the ball coming towards him. A soccer player sees the ball coming towards him. He can use a push to make it go where he wants it to go. In this case, the push is a kick. A little girl wants to give her stuffed animal a ride on her little red wagon. She uses a pull to make the wagon move along after her. Every push and pull takes energy. The amount of energy and strength you need to move an object depends on how big the object is. Large objects need a large force to move them. Small objects only need a small force to move them. So after reading that, you're going to answer questions that are on the right. Now, the first question is, when an object is at rest, how will it begin to move? So we have to look for the answer in our paragraph, which says, when an object is not moving, it is at rest, and it will stay that way unless something makes it move. And the power that makes it to move is called a force. So when an object is at rest, how will it begin to move? It will move when a force has been put to it. Okay, so can we continue with the rest of the questions? Okay. So now that we have a background on push and pull, we are now going to also do this worksheet where you have to write what kind of force we are using. For example, this boy is pushing a cart, a shopping cart. So obviously this force is a push. Or this girl is pulling a wagon. So this force is a pull. So you have to do for the rest of the worksheet. Thank you very much. Have a great week.